Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix can't open JPG file in your Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the start and you have to go to settings, and from here you have to go for apps. Now from here you have to go to default apps, and you have to scroll down a little bit and go for choose default apps by file type. You have to select this, and you have to you have to wait for a short period of seconds, and then you have to scroll down and select the respective JPG file. As you can see that there are name of files and many things, so you have to scroll down a little bit, and you just have to scroll down, and you will be able to find the JPG over here. You will be able to find JPG over here. So for example, we have reached J. So as you can see that there is JPG and JPG both. So you have to select this and keep this to photos. You have to select in the both. You have to keep this to the photos, and you have to change this to the photos, and you have to change this to photos. And once after doing this, you have to close this and just get back to the same, and you have to go to apps, and from here you have to search for Microsoft picture. You have to search for Microsoft Photos, and you have to select this and go for advanced option, and from here you have to scroll down and go for repair as well as go for reset, and you are having the trouble. And once after doing this completely, you just have to close this also, and you have to go here for the PowerShell. You have to go for Windows PowerShell, and you have to open this. And here in the PowerShell there is something which you have to copy paste, which is called this one. So you have to copy this, and you have to open this and paste it and press enter, and it will be taken in between, and most probably this will be fixed in the issue app. So these are some of the possible workarounds you have to do when you're having trouble on opening JPG files on a Windows, and this is how to fix this up. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.